Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with 4 fingers. To begin, first master your 2 thumb controls for essential movement and precise camera rotation. Your left thumb will manage directional movement with the joystick, while your right thumb precisely controls camera angles and aiming. This dual thumb action forms the foundation, allowing you to fluidly navigate and track opponents across the map. Practice these initial movements for a smooth start. Next, strategically assign actions to your index fingers for advanced control. Your left index finger typically manages the fire button, allowing you to shoot while moving and aiming with your thumbs. The right index finger can then control actions like jumping, crouching, or opening your scope, enhancing your agility. This setup allows you to execute precise actions like firing and peeking all at once, giving you a considerable edge in close combat situations. Customizing your HUD layout is crucial for effective 4-finger play. Position your fire button and scope button where your index fingers naturally rest, ensuring immediate access. Make sure these critical buttons are sized appropriately, perhaps between 120 and 150%, to minimize accidental presses. Adjust the transparency of less used buttons. This cleans up your screen, allowing you to focus on the action. Spend some time in the training grounds, refining your layout for maximum comfort and responsiveness. Finally, dedicated practice and precise sensitivity adjustments are key to mastering the 4-finger claw. Commit to daily practice sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes, focusing on tracking targets and performing complex actions simultaneously. Experiment extensively with your camera and scope sensitivity settings, finding values that feel natural and responsive to your movements. Remember, starting with lower sensitivity and slowly increasing, it allows for greater control as you develop your muscle memory. This consistent effort will elevate your gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.